So we're just hanging in the yard while the kids are outside. Whoa. Harper, there you go. Did you got it? Did you have her ball? Do you want to play with the ball? I just gotta get it. I'm gonna get it. That's a good drop it. Good girl. Oh. Nice try. Nice try. We gotta play the game. See? We gotta play the game. Good girl.
Now, so I'm gonna turn around. So you wanna stand here? Jimmy!
She's like, I just want the ball. I just want the ball. She's a good girl. What do you think? Good. She's like, I don't even care. I don't even care about the kids. Ivy, sit. Very good. Yes. There you go. I didn't even care. I didn't even care about him. Ready? Harper, go get it. Atta girl. Go get it. Harper, get the toy. You want that one? Okay. Here, I'll play. All right, come here. I'll play. Ready? Go get it. Oh, you got it? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh, the girl's got it. Oh, you want to play or not? It's just, I have to work for it. I don't want to play if I got work for it. Where's toy?